There are questions about what a congressional candidate didn't release on their tax returns. Both candidates hoping to win the 53rd district released their taxes. We take a look through them. Tax returns. They're a part of campaign season from the presidential level down to the local level. That's no different in the 53rd district congressional race between Sarah Jacobs and Georgette Gómez. Both candidates released 3 years of tax returns. After looking through the numbers, Gómez's returns show some discrepancies. Gómez's 2017 tax return shows she reported almost $60,000 from pension income but reported zero in actual wages. According to Transparent California, Gómez made more than $75,000 that year from her job as a San Diego City Council member, and an additional $17,000. University of San Diego professor of law Ariel Giroux-Kleiman specializes in federal tax law. We asked her to look at the filing.
There were no reported wages, so that there was a zero on the line where you would normally report your wages.
The numbers on Gómez's 2018 return also don't match the dollar amount she reported on a financial disclosure report for congressional candidates. The tax discrepancies were first noted in a story by the San Diego Union Tribune. In response to the discrepancies, Gómez released this statement saying in part, "Like most people, I trusted my accountant to file my taxes accurately, and I was shocked to find out that my 2017 returns were not properly filed. My accountant has taken responsibility for the errors, but I too take responsibility, and I filed a corrected return and paid the back taxes."
If you make a mistake on your tax return or underreport something, or if you overreport something, you can file an amended tax return. You have to do it within a certain amount of time.
The Gómez team has been sending out emails pushing for her opponent Sarah Jacobs to release her returns. A spokesperson for Jacobs tells ABC 10 News the Gómez campaign spent weeks misleading voters and crying wolf about Sarah's tax returns, only to have the real story be their candidate's own negligence. With 25 days until Election Day, now would be a good time for the Gómez campaign to get their own house in order. ABC 10 News looked through Jacobs' tax returns. It shows most of her income came from dividends and capital gains. About $7 million in 2019, $2 million in 2018, and around $4 million in 2017. Jacobs' tax returns show she paid around $3 million in taxes over those years. Adam Rakusin, ABC 10 News. ABC 10 News reached out to the tax preparer listed on Gómez's returns for a comment, but we did not get a response. Adam Rakusin, ABC 10 News.